I had one serious issue persisting this time. The black screen issue was persisting where when I was starting my laptop, when I'm pressing the power on, it just show a black screen and nothing else comes. So again, the server center guys came in rescue and they helped me with this. Hi. First of all, thank you all for showing so much love to the previous video in which I discussed about how I got my hard disk replaced in the warranty period and the Acer's after sales review. How was my experience with the service center guys coming to my home and just repairing my laptop. That was really awesome. Please check it out if you haven't seen it yet, but watch it after this video. So here's my laptop again. Please meet him. Just joking. I had one serious issue persisting this time. The black screen issue was persisting where when I was starting my laptop, when I'm pressing the power on, it just show a black screen and nothing else comes. And this has happened to me a lot of times. So again, the server center guys came in rescue and they helped me with this. The problem was that many of the times the laptop will start as it is, and many of the times the issue will persist and the laptop will not start for the next 15-20 minutes. So you need to just press it to get it off, then press it to get it on, and waste your 20-25 minutes, and that might affect the hardware as well. But as I said, those service center guys were really great, and this time as well they helped me. They got the motherboard replaced and it worked fine for a day, but then again the same issue was persisting. So I don't know how we are going to tackle this now. It's around just 15 days left for my laptop to get completely okay in warranty period, but I am hoping for the best and let's see how it goes. I have already informed the manager of the service center that the black screen issue is still persisting, and that person is totally in support that we'll doing the best for what we can to find the issue. And that's really helpful because at this stage in pandemic, those people are giving on-site support to people like us who are working on laptops. So a big thank you, a big shout out to all those guys, to the guys in my area. And that service center name is Quest Infotech, that is in Lakshmi Nagar, and that is dedicated to servicing Acer laptops. And I usually feel like when you talk about something which is electronic, which is working using these chips, these boards, so there's a lot of probability when technical issues arise related to hardware and software. Most of the time software issues are tackled by ourselves, but these hardware issues are really hard to solve. So you need a great team of people to help you so that you can get your hardware replaced in the warranty period. And if you are out of warranty, then of course you have to pay it by yourself. Also, I was very curious to extend the warranty even after 3 years, but as per the Acer's policy, you can't extend already 3-year policy to 4 years or 5 years. Of course, that's very reasonable and that's understood, but that's completely fine as well. No company would want an old laptop to repair it again and again, so that's pretty understandable. But talking about that black screen issue, as you can see in this video aside, when I generally turn off the laptop after shutdown, after some hours of shutdown, it shows this problem, and it really pisses you off sometimes, because when I'm thinking of editing a video or posting a video or doing my personal stuff and issue like these arrive, that's get really embarrassing and problematic for that time. But no worries, those guys are helping out and I have 15 days of support left, so let's see what can be done in order to overcome this black screen issue and get my buddy back to its normal usage so that he can be healthy as well. But yeah, I'm really thankful to the Acer company for helping me, for the amazing support. And by the God's grace, I was using the laptop with responsibility. Responsibility as in, I didn't let any part of my laptop to get scratched deep down or get accidental damage as of now, or using it irresponsibly. So basically this video was an update that the issue I am facing, and of course I'll be updating you in the next video that is the black screen issue fixed or not and how am I dealing with it. I'll just give you more insights about it. But let's see, the motherboard has already got replaced, but I'm not seeing any much change in the condition. But let's see how it works and what can be done for the laptop to remove the black screen error. And again, thanks to the Acer support, thanks to you for listening. And I hope if your laptop is in warranty, then you get your things easily replaced under the supervision of a service center guy. And if it is out of warranty, don't lose hopes, don't get disheartened. That happens. I know that cost pretty much thousands of rupees, but we can't do anything about that. So we need to just take care of it as well. But as per my experience, the foremost thing I'll suggest is to handle it responsibly and use it as if it has life too. Because of course, now it's the pandemic time, the lockdown time, and things are taking time to take place. Stay safe, stay at homes, and thank you.